Hello, welcome back into the Schematic channel. In this video, we see how we can download and install the Dev C++ software. It is the open source software which is using for the programming of the C++. So if you search the Dev C++ on your browser, then this is the official web page. But in the official web page, when you click on it and they provide you the download link and you click on it, then they reach on this source for. So I added that web page directly in the description, then you can access it. So it is the last updated 2016. So just simply click on it and then you downloading and start. I already do it, so I show you how we can start it. That's the software which is downloaded a few minutes ago. So we start the installation, click on it, right, and run as administrator here. So they are unpacking the data, we need to be wait here. After that they ask for choosing the language. I choose the by default English. Okay, click on OK. After that I accept the agreement. Don't be change anything here. Click on next. Here you can choose the destination folder. Click on install. Now our Dev C++ ID is installed, so we click on finish. If you don't want to be run right now, so untick on it, otherwise click on finish, then they start the run. Okay, now they ask for choosing the language. I choose the English original. Click on next, then don't be change anything from here, it's default I want. Click on next and click on OK. Now the Dev C++ is in front of me, so we write our first code on it. Click on file, click on new, save source code. So here we can write our code. So first of all I go into the tools and click on editor options. Here I go into the font and I want font up to 13. So first of all I include the file, then we define the namespace, then we make the main loop, and using this count we can we can print the name, then we close it and we say return 0 to end that loop, and loop is ended. Now after that we need to save the file save as, say that untitled 01, click on save, and then you can go into the execute and click on compile. Now they compile, no error, no warning, so it's compiled. So please subscribe and like this channel and share this video with your friends.